Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You know, in the critical industries that really power the kingdom, we're talking everything from oil and gas fields to massive industrial plants, operational safety, well, it isn't just a priority, it's the entire foundation of your success. So today, let's talk about how to make sure that foundation is rock solid.
I want you to really think about this question. What is the true cost? Because a single failure, it's not just an incident report that gets filed away. No, it's hours, maybe even days of incredibly expensive downtime. It's a direct threat to your most valuable asset, your people. And of course, it can result in some major financial penalties. The stakes, they just don't get any higher.
All right, so the first part of the solution is making sure you have the absolute right tool for the job. And we are talking about this. The Honeywell BWC2-H. It's a dedicated single-gas detector for hydrogen sulfide. You know it as H2S, one of the most common and dangerous threats out there in our industries.
Now, this number, 2, what's so special about it? Well, this represents one of the most powerful features of this device. We are talking about 2 full years of continuous, maintenance-free operation. Just think about that for a second. That means no sensor replacements, no battery changes, nothing. Just 2 years of reliable, uninterrupted protection right out of the box.
And this device is designed specifically for our tough environments here in Saudi Arabia. It's IP66/67 rated, which is just a technical way of saying it's built to handle all the dust, water, and rough conditions on a typical work site. And if there is a problem, you are going to know. It has visual, audible, and vibrating alarms, so a warning is never ever missed. It's also smart. It's constantly running its own health checks automatically. And the best part? It's a simple one-button operation. Anyone on your team can use it effectively with almost no training at all. It's just easy.
But here's the thing. Having the right tool, as crucial as it is, only solves part of the problem. Because the real challenge, the hidden cost that nobody talks about, it usually shows up after the purchase. We're talking about the true cost of what seems like a simple transaction.
And this right here, this is the point. When your operations are on the line and you need support now, waiting days for an email back from a supplier who's in a totally different time zone, well, that's not just an inconvenience. It's a massive risk to your business. Every minute of that delay is downtime, and that downtime costs you serious money and creates unnecessary risk.
And this is exactly where we are different. Tayyib, so you can buy this part from anyone, right? Yani the product is available out there. But what you can't get from just anyone is the complete solution and the long-term peace of mind that you get from us at AskA Solution. We're not just another supplier. We are your local partner, right here in the kingdom.
This entire commitment is built on what we call our 5-point partnership promise. And believe me, this isn't just some marketing list of services. This is our pledge, our promise to you to ensure your success from the moment you buy all the way through years of reliable operation. So first things first, we are an Aramco-approved supplier, and we're ISO certified. Now, for anyone operating in the kingdom, you know that's not just a logo we put on our website. It is your absolute guarantee that we meet the highest possible standards for quality, safety, and compliance. It means you can have complete peace of mind. This really shows the critical difference in how we operate. Most companies practice box delivery. You know, they drop a box at your facility and their job is done. We don't do that. We provide a full turnkey service. That means our expert engineers come to your site. We handle the installation, the configuration, and the complete commissioning to make sure every single device works perfectly within your specific system.
You see, for us, our relationship with you begins with the sale. It doesn't end there. We deliver anywhere across the kingdom. We install it, and then we stick with you. We support you with preventative maintenance, full after-sales service, and expert local repair for the entire life of the product. We are your KSA team on the ground, always. So, when you step back and you look at the whole picture, the decision becomes really, really clear. This is not just about buying a piece of safety equipment. This is a strategic choice for the continuity of your entire operation. It's choosing a partnership over a simple purchase. Let's just break it down, side by side. On one hand, you can buy just a product. You get a device in a box, you deal with the risk of overseas support delays, and it's a transactional relationship, one and done. Or you can partner with us. You get a full turnkey solution backed by a local KSA engineering team in a long-term partnership that is designed from the ground up for your success. The value? It's not even close.
So, the most important point is this.
Don't just go out and buy another product. Instead, make a strategic investment. Invest in a complete safety solution from a trusted, local, Aramco-approved partner who is just as committed as you are to keeping your operations running safely and efficiently.
Shukran, we genuinely look forward to the opportunity to help your operation succeed. Please reach out to our team for a technical consultation. All of our contact details are right here on the screen for you.